work-life balance. Sounds like the dream, doesn't it? But for many working professionals, it's more like a myth. Between managing workloads, deadlines, family time, and personal needs, the struggle is real. But what if I told you that achieving a healthy balance isn't just possible? So, what exactly is work life balance? It's about finding the right equilibrium between your work responsibilities and your personal life. It's not about dividing your time 50-50, but about making sure that neither aspect overwhelms the other. Work life balance doesn't mean less work, it means smarter work. It's about maintaining mental, emotional, and physical well being while still pursuing career success. Example: imagine you're running a marathon. If you sprint the entire way, you'll burn out quickly. But if you find a sustainable pace, you'll reach the finish line with energy to spare. Now, let's talk about why work life balance matters. Sure, we all want to succeed, but without balance, success can come at the cost of our health and happiness. Key points: prevents burnout. Working nonstop without taking time for yourself leads to burnout, anxiety, and stress. Increases productivity. Studies show that people who maintain a work life balance are actually more productive. Improves relationships. It strengthens your relationships, whether with family, friends, or even coworkers, because you're more present. Boosts creativity. A healthy balance allows time for your mind to rest, making you more creative and innovative. Example: picture someone glued to their laptop for hours without a break. They might finish their task, but the exhaustion and frustration they feel will make it harder to stay productive long term. So, how do you know if your work life balance is out of whack? Here are some signs you might need a reset. Key signs: you're always working. You find yourself working long hours, checking emails late at night, or feeling guilty when you're not working. Constant stress. You're feeling stressed or anxious even outside of work. Exhaustion. Physical or mental exhaustion is a daily experience, even when you sleep well. Neglecting personal life. You're missing out on important personal moments, such as time with family, hobbies, or social activities. Decline in health. You notice a decline in physical health like weight gain or sleep problems. Example: let's say you used to go to the gym every evening after work, but now you skip it to finish project. Weeks turn into months, and soon you've abandoned your personal time for work. Now, here's what you're really here for: how to achieve a healthy work life balance. Let's dive into some practical, actionable tips that you can start using today. Tip number one: set clear boundaries. Set boundaries between work and personal life. When you're working from home, it can be tempting to work around the clock, but defining when work ends and personal time begins is critical. Examples: don't check emails after work hours. Dedicate a workspace so when you leave it, work is done. Tip number two: prioritize your tasks. Not every task is equally important. Learn to identify what truly matters and focus your energy there. Examples: use productivity techniques like the Eisenhower matrix to prioritize urgent and important tasks. Break big tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. Tip number three: learn to say no. It's easy to get overwhelmed when you try to do everything. Sometimes, to maintain balance, you need to politely decline additional tasks or responsibilities. Examples: say no to projects that don't align with your goals or which you don't have time for. Delegate tasks when appropriate. Tip number four: schedule downtime. Yes, literally put it in your calendar. Just like you schedule meetings, make time for yourself, whether it's to read a book, go for a walk, or spend time with family. Examples: block out time for hobbies, relaxation, and family in your calendar. Use your weekends for complete recharge. Tip number five: practice self care. Your mental and physical health are key to maintaining work life balance. Make time for exercise, sleep, and things that make you feel good. Examples: 30 minutes of daily exercise, like yoga or a quick walk. Instead of letting it control your life, use it to automate tasks and set reminders for breaks. Examples: use tools like time trackers to manage your workday, set reminders to take breaks, and step away from your screen. Before we wrap up, let's quickly bust some common myths about work life balance. Myth one: you can't keep perfect balance every day. Some days work will demand more of your time, and other days personal life will take the lead. The goal isn't to have perfect balance every day, but to maintain overall balance over time. Myth two: work life balance means working less. Work-life balance doesn't mean slacking off or cutting down on work hours. It means working smart, being efficient, and knowing when to switch off. Myth 3. You have to do it all. Achieving balance doesn't mean juggling everything perfectly. It's about prioritizing and focusing on what truly matters. Remember, work-life balance isn't just a luxury. It's a necessity. When you find that balance, you'll feel more energized, creative, and productive, both at work and in your personal life. Take control today. Make balance your priority and watch your life transform. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical advice on navigating life as a working professional. And remember, balance is the key to success.
Hello guys, do you want to unlock your full potential? The Ultimate Career Growth Series. Are you ready to accelerate your career? Promotions, new jobs, salary hikes, and so on in today's fast-paced and competitive professional landscape, simply working hard is no longer enough. To truly excel, you need a strategic blend of skills that empower you to stand out, get promoted, and thrive in your chosen field. Imagine having the right tools, techniques, and insights to navigate your career with confidence and purpose from your first job to your rise to leadership. This is where Ultimate Career Growth Series comes in 5 parts. Ignite, breakthrough, growth, ascension, mastery, designed specifically for young working professionals. This comprehensive course series is your pathway to mastering the skills you need to succeed, whether you're just starting out or looking to take the next big leap in your career. This series offers a structured learning journey that builds from foundational knowledge to advanced mastery. Check out our website or mobile app to find out more.